Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see you, hello. Hi, and welcome to the channel. Let's look at the chords contained in this song. So you're gonna have the A major, composed of the C sharp, E, and A, and the bass note of A. Then the B minor, composed of the D, the F sharp, and the B, and the bass note of B. Then you'll have the F sharp minor, composed of the C sharp, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of F sharp. And then D major, composed of the D, F sharp, and A, and the bass note of D. As always, you will find the PDF file associated with this song in the description box, so feel free to use that resource. Let's begin by the introduction. So here's the corresponding table. So let's take the first chord, A major, and you're gonna play it like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So on 1, bass and chord. 2, chord. And bass note solo. 3, bass and chord. 4, chord. And bass note solo again. Which makes this 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And now do the same thing for all the other chords. So B minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. F sharp minor, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. D major, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. So the whole table would sound like this. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, and. And I have very good news for you, because you're going to be able to keep this same table and this same chord order for absolutely every section of this song. Let's check if this works for the verse. Remember those walls I built? Well, baby, they're tumbling down. They didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. And you repeat the table, okay? Here I'm only singing excerpts, since you will have the entire song in a schematic form tomorrow. And you're gonna use the same table for the pre-chorus. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. See that this table works everywhere, and it would also work on the chorus, but I will teach you another method that you could apply to any section of the song, and that is also a bit closer to the original song. So let me display the table for you. And now try to play these same chords like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, F sharp minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and D major, 1, 2, 3, 4. At real speed, it should sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And repeat. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see you, hello. You know you're my saving grace. And you repeat. So you can choose the table that you prefer, or feel free to use even both, because the chord order never changes throughout the entire song. I wish you good luck, and I will see you tomorrow for the entire song. Take care. Bye.